First at 5, the Dow Jones Industrial Average had its worst day in history today, dropping nearly 1,200 points, combined with a 665-point drop on Friday. The last two business days erased gains the market made since January 1st.
Investors are beginning to see signs of higher inflation and interest rates. They worry that could derail a growing economy. Energy companies, banks, and industrial firms are taking some of the biggest hits. Today's drop is nearly 400 points higher than the previous worst trading day in history, which was in September of 2008. That's when the Dow lost 778 points. But other days have been worse for the market. Back in 1987, the Dow dropped just over 500 points, which may not seem as bad, but at the time, that was more than 22%. Experts tell us this is a market correction and that sell-offs could continue.
But that doesn't mean it's all bad. We spoke to Nuveen Asset Management. They say corrections are necessary to move the market higher. They also say overall, the economy is still healthy. They cite last month's job report beating expectations and pay continuing to rise. In the end, Nuveen says that while the last 2 days are challenging, they're not trying to compete with the crash of 1987 and the recession a decade ago.